Hey guys, this is Jad and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I will DIY install this door seal and this door brush seal right here. So the door brush seal will go to the bottom of the door, and then this door seal will go to the sides and the top of the door pane. So the other items that I have right here is rubbing alcohol, paper towel to clean the areas where I will be sticking these items right here, the seal, because I'm not going to be using any screws. It will just be all adhesive, right? See there. And then I'll have, of course, I'll need a measuring tool to cut these down to size if I need to, and as well as this one. And I'll also need a saw and a cutter to cut the door brush seal to the size of the bottom of my door. That's all there is to it. Let's just go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I've already installed the door brush seal. So as you can see, when I open the door, it sort of conforms to whatever the level of the floor is, and that's actually the point of door brush seals, and the reason why they're designed to be these bristles right here. Right, so next up I'm gonna go ahead and install the side seals right here. Right, and by the way guys, this door seal that I got is 2.5 meters long, but it's actually a dual strip kind, so I can just go ahead and split them into two so that I would have a total of 5 meters usable door seal. Alright, so I've finished putting the door seals, guys, and let me just go ahead and share what I have in here. So starting from the bottom, you have that good seal right there. Okay, and up to the top, and to the side as well. Alright, so obviously I'm not going to be putting rubber door seal over here, and that's the reason why we have the brush seal over here at the back of the door. So, and that's how. And by the way guys, because this is a fresh seal, then it would be a bit difficult to close right there. So it takes some getting used to, and I'm going to show you a door that I put door seals as well way back, So let me go to that door real quick. All right, guys. So this is my door to the balcony, and way back I've installed some door seals here as well. So as you can see, if I'm gonna open this one up, and you'll also notice the noise that is coming in. And I have some door seals right here that are pretty flat. It's been flattened over time, but it's putting some good seal, and it's preventing all that noise coming from the outside. As you can see here, we have some construction going on. So if I'm gonna go ahead and back up and close the door, you'll notice how the noise goes away. Right. And that's what those seals are for. And also they prevent insects like flies and bugs and cockroaches from coming in. So I have that seal all the way around here as well, the back of the door. Yeah, so pretty much happy about it. Alright, thank you so much for making it all the way to the end of the video. If you like it, please hit that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet to my channel. There's also that notification bell icon. You may want to click that notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. Now, I just got this delivered today, and it's a smart wall switch. I'm planning to install this as part of my home automation setup. Now it's definitely gonna be part of a future video, so stay tuned. All right, so again, guys, this is Jed, and thanks so much for watching this YouTube video, and you have a great day. All right, bye-bye.